got the Surron Go-Kart out here. I'll take you through some upgrades that I've done and then we'll take it for a run. Biggest difference, two big differences really. I've got the X9000, that is the V1, and I've had to switch this motor. I've completely given up on trying to get the motor to work in the opposite direction. It actually wasn't too bad switching it over. I just had to cut the bracket for the brake off and move it to the other side, and then weld up a new one for this side. I've also put the Surron shockies in here, the stock ones. I think they're 350, 450 pound. That'll lift that front end up and help with that weight of that battery. This cart should be now putting out 15 kilowatt until the motor heats up. I'm not sure what the top speed will be. I'm still not quite happy with the gearing, but I do need to go bigger wheels. So once I sort out the wheel set, then I'll go back to the gearing again. Brake is on, turn it on, wait for it to start up. In power. Let's go. One other really cool feature with any aftermarket controller, but this EBMX controller, I now have reverse. Oh, that's so good. It's what any kart needs, is reverse. I don't know, I think the kilowatt setting might be 10, 12, 15 for the basic. I'm running the 60-volt battery, but I can run a higher power with the EBMX run. Oh, I am going to get muddy today. We've had a lot of rain. Oh, there's a few ruts here. The rear brakes, front brakes would help, that's for sure. You just lose the back end when you're braking. Heaps of motos out today. Good day, why not? Let's go around this little track. Man, this thing is pokey, especially with the full tyres. I mean, they're not the grippiest tyres out here. Bit of a single track, a bit harder on the GOKART than the Surron. Oh no, oh, it's got soaked. Someone's made a new double there. Oh, it's soaked. I want to avoid the puddles as much as I can. Three, two, one, go! spot, the next spot. This is where I originally did my first go-kart video, or second, can't remember which one. First electric one. So we'll come have a little run here. We've got 60% battery left. On the hard pulls that drops down a lot, so we'll see how far we can go. Let's get it. What about those big rocks there? Should have done a sight lap first. Oh. This is more rockier than last one. Bouncing around here. This kart is sick. I recommend building one. It's not cheap though, especially this controller. Oh no. Oh no, they're still good. Need a smoother road. Oh. Man, so be careful of those big rocks. That's going to wrap up today's video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.